Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. This is the Moonstone Mamas. My name is Devan. If this is your first time here with us today, hi, hello, how are you? If you're a returning subscriber, so glad that you're here with us. I know that lately I haven't really done like another intro video. We are a mother-daughter duo that likes to resell jewelry. We like to test jewelry for its authenticity. We like to hunt for jewelry at thrift shops. We have an Etsy that we like to resell our jewelry at. And today I am going to be doing an unboxing of another item that I have purchased from Shop Goodwill. This one comes from Georgia. Isn't it lovely when you get your package and it looks like it's been stepped on by somebody? So, anywho, since I know what is in this one, I don't have my normal tools with me today, but I did end up purchasing some new scissors. These are awesome scissors. I got them on Amazon. I definitely would recommend them. They came in a 2-pack. They're great. As always, I have 2 kids under the age of 3, so if you hear any voices in the background, that's them. So this is what I got. The inside is empty. Okay. Nice job packing. This is what I have purchased. Bird and bug themed jewelry, pin and pen. This is how much I paid for it. That's including shipping. So this is the picture. Of course, it's in black and white. There should be a lot of fun stuff. I'm super excited. I like the unusual. I like the fun. And looks like that's what we got today. So super excited. Let's get started. Let's adjust everything here. All right. First thing I'm gonna pull out. Oh my goodness, very much tangled. Okay. This one fell out of here. This one's a cat. That's funny. If it's from anything. Paragon. Not sure what that is, but I'm not gonna expect much. I'm gonna take off my sweater because it's kind of pilly on the sleeves and I don't know if it's interesting to look at. Okay, this is the next thing I pulled out. Looks like we got a brooch and the wings are movable. And it looks like it's plastic, but it's made to look like a real stone. This is super cute. Gold tone and green. Super fun, and it looks like it's not missing any of the rhinestones, so it's super cute. Okay, let's pull out the next thing here. Looks like we have a dove. Or some kind of bird holding a leaf. Cute. Got a bit of a tangle. I spy a flamingo. Gonna try to untangle this. There we go. Yep. We got a flamingo. That's cute. There's the back. Very fun. Let's see what else came out of this tangled up bit here. Looks like we might have a tie clip. And it looks like, yeah, this feels like pewter. It's an eagle. Flip it around, man. There's no markings on the back. Pretty secure hold. Very nice. That's cool. This looks like the bird from the Hunger Games series. I don't think that is what it is. It might be LGF. I'm not 100% certain. I'm gonna look it up, but that's what it kind of looks like. That's funny to me. Okay, so it looks like we have another flamingo. Looks like it's on a silver tone chain. Super cute. It's not missing any stones either. Very cute. Very fun. And on a long chain. Nice too. When I get chains like this, I like to like kind of put lots together around it, like thinking, okay, I've got random pendants that I could probably, you know, make a lot into and have a long chain with extra pendants if you wanted to switch out the pendants. The chain. Very fun. Attempt to screw this together while looking through the camera. And victory! Okay. So it looks like we have a dragonfly. Looks like it's black. It's a silver tone. It's very nice. And then it has, it's like some kind of wooden beads, wooden accents. That's an umbrella clasp, so I would assume that it would be a vintage piece, but I have been wrong before. We have another eagle, soaring. Very interesting. Doesn't appear to be any markings on the back. This is cool. Ooh, this is a fun one. Looks like another bug, a bee maybe. It's like a little green here, but make sure to separate it and clean it. Very fun. Cute. I'm excited about this lot. Okay, it looks like we have a hairpin. Looks like a bird. Cute. Looks like we have a charm bracelet. Looks like it needs some love, some cleaning love. Oh, New Orleans. And a pelican. Oh, it's very, very verdigreed out. Might be able to fix it. Let's see. It's like a cauldron. Oh, it's so cute. It's a little hummingbird. These feel like legit charms. I'll have to test them. See if maybe they're sterling, but yeah, I don't really know. But that's a cute one, and it's like has bells on it. I don't know if you can see, but it's really verdigreed out. I'm gonna see if I can't Dawn soap and clean it. A shame if I'm not able. Maybe I'll be able to salvage the charms. There's that word I was looking for. Okay, so it looks like we have glass beads and there's a bunch of dragonflies on there. Cute, with leaves, toggle clasp. Very nice. I wonder if there's, no, that's just a raised area. I thought it might have been a marking or something. No. Very cute. Okay, looks like we have like a parrot. Very cute. Another brooch. Oh, it's a majestic bird. Oh, it says something on it. Trifari. Cool. So it might be vintage. I'm gonna have to look into it. Probably hear my son in the background. This is a rooster. That is funny. Let's see if it says anything on the back of the tack pin. Yeah, I don't know though. This is cute. Imagine you have to be a next level of cool to wear something like that. Okay, so it looks like this is a stretch bracelet. This has, feels like glass beads. There's an owl, here's a ladybug, and here's a heart. My husband's gonna grab my son. Okay, had to pause the video to help my husband out, but I believe I was showing this one. This has hearts, ladybugs, and an owl. And the next thing I pulled out was this really cute, and it doesn't look to be adjustable, but very cute. It fits on my finger, my index finger, so it looks like it's pretty big, which is nice. Super cute. Probably gonna be a shorter video as this isn't a huge lot, but praise the Lord. Cute. Looks like it says something. Pick it up. It's pretty lightweight too, which is nice. Hong Kong, I believe is what it says. Hong Kong, but that's fun. The rainbow. Cute. Looks like we have a dragonfly pendant. And we have another. Well, tragedy struck. If you can't laugh at yourself, who are you gonna laugh at? Am I right? Okay. Let's see. I have something around here that someone's gonna be a happy owner of all these cute little ladybugs in craft lot. Since it exploded, and I know one had hit the floor. I will find it before my oldest wakes up. Golly. Well, there it is. Explosion. Neat. Cool, cool, cool. Alright, what else can we find in here? Oh. 2 ladybugs giving each other a little smooch. Try to see what this says. Korea. That's cute. Okay. Little red bird. Oh. Cute. Looks like a hummingbird. Doesn't appear to be missing any rhinestones either, which is really fun. Cute. There's a green little eyeball. Very fun. Flamingo. Cute. Plop! 2 flamingos. How about that? Place them in here. Alright, that's the last little bit here. We have, looks to be a cardinal. That is cute. I'm sure this part of the video is when someone who has more bird knowledge would tell you some information about birds. However, I don't have any information about birds other than that they can fly. So, at least I can identify some of them. Okay, we have this kind of sad bird. His enamel's coming off a bit. But maybe somebody can show him some love. Okay, and then looks like we have, oh my goodness, is this a chameleon or something? Or a rat? I have no clue. This looks like a mouse or something, but I don't know why it would be green, but whatever. Cool, cool. Okay, we have like a baby bird. What does that say? Sarah Coventry. The gold over is kind of coming off on this as well. It's kind of a little sad, but it looks like it's missing a rhinestone for the eye. And then the last one appears to be another hummingbird. Very cute. Very fun. Well, I'd say that was a pretty good lot. Bird bug themed jewelry. Let me know in the comments down below which one of yours was the favorite. If you enjoy videos like this, because I enjoy videos like this. As always, our goal of our YouTube channel is to offer some kind of escape from day-to-day issues you deal with, to come on here and kind of zone out and veg out and see what kind of stuff we have. And if you're interested in any of these items, just let us know either in the comments down below, or our email is always in the description box down below if you'd like to purchase any of these fun things. Wednesday nights I do have an auction on Jennifer Layton's channel, and I'll go ahead and put that information in the description box down below as well. But I hope that you guys have a wonderful day, and thank you so much for watching.